homeworks to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did I send you homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you
We
done
have to
it?
do that homework in the notes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to write.
No, ma'am, I wrote in the notes. Or we have to do another paper like that.
No, you have to write in the notes itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next is
Ma'am.
the exercise.
Ma'am.
Our first exercise.
Ma'am.
The previous, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm late to class.
Yes.
I'm late to class.
It's okay. I just started only. Okay, children?
Ma'am, you gave the notes.
No. Okay, children, listen. See, one question was there. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? What is the answer you got?
21.
How many? Yes.
21.
Ma'am, 21.
Wait, children. I want to
21.
explain that. Listen, children. Between means you should not take the numbers given. Between means in between 32 and 53 means don't take 32, don't take 53 in between the numbers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. Listen.
Yes,
Don't. If you subtract, you won't get the answer. Listen, children, like this. Children, if see, I will give you an example. See, if I'm telling that Malavika is sitting between, sorry, Altina is sitting between Malavika and Amida. Means, what did you understand from that? Altina is sitting between Malavika and Amida.
Ma'am, she is sitting in the middle.
She is in the middle. So
She's sitting in the middle.
Exclude. Don't take 32 and 53. Other numbers you should take. If you subtract 53 minus 32, also you won't get the answer. You have to write like this to avoid mistakes. Okay, children, 32 and 53. 32 and 53, right? 32 and 53.
Yes, ma'am.
So 32 and 53 you have to avoid and write the next number 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many numbers are there? 20. Answer is 20. Okay. So you have to avoid 32 and 50.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Ma'am, your video is not visible. Ma'am, you are not visible.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Your video is stuck, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video is stuck. Ma'am, your video is blank. Our failure. Ma'am. Nihal is the host. Ma'am.
Anybody? Ma'am came back.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, your audio is
Your
muted.
audio is muted. Audio is muted.
Okay, children, there it is heavy raining here, raining heavily, and there may be some connection problem, and in between the power supply also will go. So don't go anywhere, stay with us. Okay, okay, children. So how many numbers are there in between? How many numbers?
20
20
numbers.
numbers. Now, children, okay. So, did you get the answer of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am.
okay. Then let me ask you one question. Which is the smallest whole number?
Zero.
Smallest whole number.
Zero.
Okay. So, did I give that question? That day when I gave
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
smallest whole number?
Yes, ma'am. You give it.
Which is the smallest whole number?
Zero.
Which is the smallest natural number?
One.
These two questions are very important. Smallest whole number is 0 and the smallest natural number is
One.
1. Okay. Now I will give a set of questions in exercise. First exercise, a set of questions, and it is you have to find whether it is true or false. Only that. But the questions are very confusing. Okay. Each question I will explain. It is exercise first. Exercise 2.1. Okay. Write the question. Which of the following statements are? Which of the write in your notes. Write in your notes. Which of the following statements are? Which of the following statements are true? Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Which are false? Okay. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Okay, children. So our first question is, first one is, 0 is the, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Smallest, 0 is the smallest, natural number. Don't tell the answer now. You think about it and I will ask somebody. 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number. Yes, children. Emil Lijo, is it true?
No, ma'am. False.
False. Why?
Ma'am, because 0 is not a natural number.
0 is a whole number. And which is the smallest natural number?
1.
1.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So this, yes.
I ended the class now itself only. Any problem?
Okay. So it is false. First one is false. Okay, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Second one. Second one.
Ma'am,
Who is this?
Francis, which is from textbook.
Yes. Okay. Second one. 400. 400 is the predecessor of 399. Don't tell answer so fast. Just think. I will ask somebody. 400 is the predecessor of 399.
Ma'am, which page? Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is
Ma'am?
not showing.
Ma'am, your video is stuck. Ma'am, your video is stuck.
again pumpkin.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Nihal is the host.
Power failure.
Nihal is the host.
Hello.
No, hello.
Hello.
Hello is not the hello when for meeting. Who is that?
That's funny.
Yes, yes.
Ashishunni, will you tell the answer, Ashishunni?
Yes, ma'am. The statement is true.
Ashishunni, you were talking and you did not, you were talking when I was not there. And you did
No,
not
one time.
read the answer properly. You did not read it properly.
Ma'am, page number.
Exercise 2.1, Francis.
Page number.
31.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, children. The question is 400 is the predecessor of Ashish,
Yes, ma'am.
predecessor of 399. Predecessor and successor. Yes, Ashish? Is it correct what Ashish told? 400 is the predecessor of 390.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, it's wrong.
It's wrong. Ashish?
As
400
first
is the
stating in the
successor.
opposite way.
Okay. Yes, Ashish?
Ma'am, first stating it in the opposite way.
That's what. You think it carefully and tell the answer. 400 is the predecessor of 399. Okay, that is false. And what is the predecessor of 399? 398. And what is the
398.
successor of 399?
400.
Second question also we have done. And I'll give the third question now. Third question is, 0 is the smallest whole number. 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 Zero is the smallest whole number. Okay, children, is it true? 0 is the smallest whole number.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
It is true. 0 is the smallest whole number. So you can write true there, answer as true. Then fourth question.
Ma'am,
600 is the, yes,
excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Wait, sometimes your network is slow. Slowly you will see the board. 600 is the successor of 599. 600 is the successor of 599. Ashishuni, tell the answer. 600 is the successor of 599.
True, ma'am.
That now it is true. Is it correct? Is it true?
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
Because after 599, immediately 600 comes. So the answer is true. True. Now I'll give the fifth question. Fifth one. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. These questions are very important. Don't come to the answer so fast. I will explain and afterwards you tell the answer.
Ma'am, can you tell the question, ma'am?
All
once more?
natural
My
numbers are
connection
whole
was-
numbers. Who is that? What happening? What is happening? Yes, is it Smriti?
Ma'am, for assignment. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
See children, wait. Here you have to see carefully. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Natural numbers, what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers 1, 2, 3. You check that all these 1, 2, 3, 4 are there in the whole numbers also.
Yes, ma'am.
All 1, 2, 3, 4 are there in the whole numbers collection.
Yes, ma'am.
So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So all natural numbers starting right from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. will be there in the whole numbers also. Only one number is not there as natural numbers, that is 0. Other all numbers are there in the whole numbers, right? Okay. So all natural numbers are there in the whole number. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. So it is true. So write the answer as true.
True.
True. Okay. Okay, children. Next one. Next one. It's very important. What is the question number? 6. Question number 6. All whole numbers are natural numbers. Don't tell the answer now. Think about it. All numbers are natural numbers.
Ma'am, can I say?
Think carefully.
Can I say?
Wait. Think about it. Think about
Ma'am,
it.
can I say?
Yes. Think about it. Wait. All whole numbers are natural numbers. Okay. So all of you.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Can I say?
Yes. Who will say Shravana? Tell Shravana.
Ma'am, it is
Yes.
false because 0 is not there.
Okay, very good. It is false. It is false. I think all of you might have got the answer.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
false
Yes, ma'am.
because all whole numbers are not natural numbers. 0 is there. 0 is not a natural number. Okay, so that statement is false. All whole numbers,
False.
0 is there. 0 will not come in the natural numbers. We won't take counting 0 from the beginning. We'll count the number starts from 1 only. So all whole numbers are not natural numbers. So this is false. This statement is false. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
this statement is false. Okay, children?
Hello, ma'am.
Did you write the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
seventh question. Seventh one. The predecessor of a two-digit number. The predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single digit number. The predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single-digit number. Write the question carefully.
Ma'am, can
Think
I
about
say?
it. Think about it. Don't tell the answer so early. You think, and everybody should think properly.
Ma'am,
Yes. The predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single-digit number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, actually the question's meaning is like this. The predecessor of a two-digit number. That means a two-digit number. You take a two-digit number and predecessor means the number comes before it, just before it.
before.
Will not be a single-digit number.
Ma'am,
Is it true?
No.
ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's false.
False. Why?
Because
Wait, I'll ask one person.
The predecessor of 10 is
Smriti, tell the answer. Which
ma'am.
number you are finding it is not satisfying this?
Ma'am, 10.
10 because, yes, good. 10 because 10 is a single
10
two-digit
is a
number. Two-digit number. But
And
the
9 is a
predecessor
single
of
digit
10
number.
is
It comes before 10.
predecessor
9.
of 10 is 9. It is a single
9.
digit number. So one example is enough to make that this statement is wrong. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So all the other two-digit numbers predecessor is All the other 2-digit numbers predecessor is 2-digit number itself, but only 10 has
Two-digit
a
number.
predecessor, a single digit number as
9.
9. Did you understand, everyone?
9.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what about this statement?
False. False.
False. Statement is false because 10 comes, 10's predecessor is 9 and it is a single digit number. Okay, children?
Okay,
Shall I
ma'am.
raise the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, eighth question. One is the smallest whole number. 1 is the smallest whole number.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, all of you can tell.
0.
Ma'am,
1
Ma'am,
is
it
the
is
smallest whole number. True or false?
False.
False. 1 is the smallest whole number. True or false?
false.
False. Why?
And 0
Ma'am, 0 is the smallest
Smallest whole number.
whole number.
So this statement is
1 is
true
the
or
smallest
false?
natural number.
False. False. Good.
False.
So this statement is false.
False.
Okay, children. Now, 9th question. Okay, 9th question. The natural number 1. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. The natural number 1 has no predecessor.
Can I tell? Ma'am,
No. Think. This question also, it is some confusing question. You think carefully. You think it properly and tell the answer carefully.
ma'am.
The natural number 1 has no predecessor.
Oh.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
The answer is false. Because one's predecessor is 0.
Yes, children. The natural number 1. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. I told you to think properly. Don't come to the answer so fast.
Because it is written natural.
The natural number 1. Which is the smallest natural number?
1.
Then from natural number 1 has any predecessor?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
If it is a whole number, it has a predecessor, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
0.
If 1 comes under whole number, it has a predecessor. But the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Correct it is.
Yes,
Sometimes your textbook, the answer may be wrong. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
this is the correct answer because it is specially given that the natural number 1 has no predecessor. That is true because we are counting from 1 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Clear? Natural numbers
Yes,
means
ma'am.
counting
Yes, ma'am.
numbers. Counting numbers. So counting numbers 1. Counting number starts from 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
When we count, does it has any predecessor?
No,
When we count?
No.
No,
ma'am.
1. We are starting from 1 itself. Isn't it? So if it
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
under the category natural number, it has no predecessor. But if it comes under the category whole number, it has a predecessor. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this
Yes, ma'am.
question, it is clearly given that the natural number 1, that is the main thing you have to take care. See this, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes.
True.
Is it true? The natural number 1 has no predecessor. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer is true because we are starting from Natural number itself.
Natural
1,
numbers.
2, 3, 4, etc. 1 itself. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, we'll do the next question. Oh, 5 it is. It is 5 o'clock. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, children, listen, children.
ma'am,
Yes.
we
I'll
have
give,
to
I'll
write.
give one more question. Wait. Wait, children. I'll give one more question. You tell the answer of it. Fast. 10th question.
We have to write that also, right?
Yes, 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 yes. 10th question. The whole number, whole number 1 has no predecessor. The whole number 1 has no predecessor.
False.
False.
This is our question. See, the whole number 1 has no predecessor. So this 1 came under the category of whole numbers. Under the category of whole numbers. If it is whole number, it has a predecessor. What is that predecessor?
Zero.
Zero. Good. So now this statement is true or false?
False.
False. The whole number 1 has a predecessor. It is given that no predecessor, but it is wrong. It has a predecessor. It is 0. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So this statement is okay. Okay, children. I'll continue the next day. Some
Thank you,
2,
ma'am.
3 questions are there. Further,
Thank you, ma'am.
continue next day. Shall
Thank
I
you,
leave
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
These
Thank
questions,
you, ma'am.
study carefully, study properly, and come.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.